In the verdant landscapes of ancient Greece, a tale of love, self-obsession, and tragedy unfolded between the nymph Echo and the youth Narcissus. Echo, a mountain nymph, was a beautiful and playful spirit, known for her love of music and dancing. However, a curse from the vengeful Hera left her with the gift of repetition, only able to repeat the last words spoken to her. In contrast, Narcissus was a handsome and prideful youth, admired by all for his beauty. His vanity was legendary, and it was said that even the gods themselves coveted his looks. One day, while wandering in the woods, Echo and Narcissus crossed paths. Enraptured by his beauty, Echo could not help but follow Narcissus, hoping to express her love. Yet, she could only repeat his words, never able to voice her own feelings. Narcissus, however, remained oblivious to the love that pursued him. His pride and vanity led him to scorn the affections of others, believing none could compare to his own beauty. Tired and heartbroken, Echo eventually succumbed to her despair, her once vibrant spirit fading away until only her voice remained, eternally echoing the words of those around her. Meanwhile, Narcissus continued his aimless wanderings, until one day, he stumbled upon a clear pool of water. As he knelt to drink, he caught sight of his own reflection and was struck by its beauty. Entranced by his own image, Narcissus fell in love with his own reflection, never realizing it was himself he adored. Unable to leave the reflection, Narcissus wasted away, dying beside the pool, now known as the Narcissus flower blooming from his ashes. These two tragic tales, the story of Echo and Narcissus, serve as a warning of the dangers of self-obsession and the power of unrequited love. Their story is a poignant reminder of the consequences that can arise from pride and the inability to recognize the love that surrounds us.